Hi everyone, it's Ricky with Bromero Cards. Welcome. Today I'm here to do an unboxing by Maker Forte. I do have to admit that this box is a little late for the unboxing because I actually received this probably in late October, early November when the card drive was like full on going. And as you all know, I had like a gabillion boxes in this room. And so this box, which was inside of a brown box, kind of got lost in the shuffle. It got piled up into some other, on top of or under other boxes. Maker Forte did send in a bunch of envelopes for my card drive, so I really appreciate that. Thank you very much. And so they sent this over to me to play with around with some of their goodies. I have not been able to play with these items yet, and some of them are out of season because some of it is Christmas stuff. But I will go ahead and show it to you, and they have offered a discount code for you guys up until, I believe, February 15th. And I'll give you that code at the end. So let's go ahead and get started on this unboxing. I'm going to slide this over here, and then I'll just take things out of the box as they come. All right. So the first thing we have is a jewel picker, I believe. Let's take this out. Oh yeah. Jewel picker. I got some little crystals in there. Cool. It's rainbow. We have a point on one end. And then the little wax rubber thing that picks up the jewels on the other side. See if I get that. There we go. That's pretty cool. I have a few of these. Not one like this. I have one with like a little gummy thing. It's cool. And then we have some tweezers. It's got that same kind of like rainbow onyx kind of situation going on. That's cool. And then it looks like we have a blending brush. Let's see if I can get this out. Here we go. Ooh, it's really pretty. Check that out. It's got like a clouds or like a, I don't know, like space situation going on there. That's pretty. I like that. Ooh, and it's soft. Nice. I like that. Alrighty, let's see what else we have here. It looks like we have some cardstock. It looks like some watercolor cardstock or watercolor printed with some sentiments under it. Probably would be great to just add a photo here or something that you've colored, and bam, you got a card. Maybe do a backing. This would make a great slimline card. So it looks like there's several different colors here, as you can see. Those are really nice. I really like this brown. That's cool. And then we have some black and white pattern paper. Ooh, some of those can make you dizzy. But yeah, that's cool. And let's see here. Let's see what kind of paper it is. Okay, it's pretty, well, it's printed on both sides. It looks like it is a shiny paper. But yeah, that's cool. I love me some black and white. I think they make like classic cards. When you do a black and white pattern, I kind of think just classy, kind of like weddings and things like that. Alrighty, let's see here. Ooh, there's so much good stuff in here. So it looks like we have Kaleidoscope powder. This is like mica powder, so you could put this like in a little spray bottle. You could put it in a watercolor pen. You could add water to it and make it a little thick, and it could be like watercolor. So this color here, let's see, does it say what color this is? This is Mercury. This is, I don't see a color on this one. Let's see here. I don't see a color, but it kind of looks like a gold. I believe it's probably gold. This one's called Pluto. There we go. This one is called Alien, which is kind of like a holographic. And then this one is called Nebula, which is kind of like a purple. Not kinda, it is a purple. So those are pretty cool, nice. All right, let's see what else we have here. Looks like we got some glitter and some little clay pieces. These are always fun. We got some conversation hearts here. Those are super cute. I love the container they're in. That's nice. And then we have chocolate sprinkles with some peppermint. I cut my finger. Owies. And then we have some little candy canes. How cute. And then we have some glitter. Glitter, and it's nice because it's biodegradable. So we have some glitter here that protects the earth. So this one is called telephone box. It's kind of like a reddish pink situation. Very pretty. We have English mustard, which is a gold. And we have moon dust, which is like a silver. Very nice. Love the containers those are in. Love it that I don't have to put it in something else. Okay, ooh, here we go. We got some stamps. Let's see here. We have, does this have a name on it? Let's see here. Okay, I do not see a stamp on the, or a name on this stamp, I don't believe. If I'm wrong, let me know, but I do not see a name on this one. It's super cute. Christmassy, Christmas cookies. They're cute. That's what they look like, at least, little Christmas cookies. Maybe little globes. Oh, they're ornaments. That's what they are. Cute. This one's called Hugs. It's a floral. Alex Siberia is the artist. Very nice. I love the thin lines. That's pretty nice. Then we have Fall Memories in collections with Hedgehog Hollow. So a bunch of sentiments here, as you can see. Ooh, we have another beautiful one here by Alex Siberia. Check that out. That would be very nice to watercolor. Very pretty. And this one is called what is this one called? Christmas Rose. Ooh, this one's cool. We have one that is called Slimline Splashes. Nice. Use this for a slimline card. You know, you could take your mica powder that's here, put it in some water, and spray it on here and stamp it, and you have a background. Then we have a easy winter watercolor scenes. Pretty. This is also in collaboration with Hedgehog Hollow. Then we have watercolor in collaboration with Hedgehog Hollow, which is stamps that look like water brush strokes or brush dots and all that great stuff. That would be cool. You could use this as just a solid background and then put like a stamped image on top of it. Call it a day. Here we have Now this one says, the name on the back of this one isn't the name, that's this, I don't believe, but here we go. So this is pretty cool. It's like a slimline card, but then you can put family or thanks in here, which is really nice. And then this guy doesn't have a name. We'll just call him Poinsettia. Poinsettia. Very nice Christmas stamp. Also by Alex Siberia. Then we have Wrapped Christmas Sentiments. This is nice because you can make your own pattern paper with this here. It'd be, what is this called? Buffalo plaid, I believe is what it's called. Very nice. Love the sentiments. Love the thin sentiments. That's very nice. I do like that. And then we have, oh, Christmas cookies. They're like little sugar cookies. These would be cool because what you could do is color them and then put some of the like clear, what is it called? The not crystal drops. I can't think of the names right now, but anyway, a clear coating on top so it makes it look like it's shiny icing. That would be really cool. And then we have Alex Siberia New Beginnings. It's like a marble background. That's pretty cool. And then there's a bunch of sentiments. It says, one day can change everything. You are stronger than you think. Open your heart to new beginnings. Once you choose hope, anything is possible, and never give up. It's pretty nice. And that's a pretty big stamp. That is a 6 by, what is it? 6 by 5. Pretty, or 6.5 by 5. It's a pretty big stamp. And then last but not least, we have a Cultured Collection Happy Kit. I love this because it has sign language on it. And it's very inclusive. I do love that. I would love to see more stamps that do have sign language. I just think it's kind of nice and, you know, shows people that, you know, we're all included. This spells out happy in sign language. All right, what else we have here? We have a little powder brush. I guess this is a little blending brush you could use. Or actually use it in your mica. That's what you would use this for. Or in your Kaleidoscope powder, which is like mica powder. Then we have Marshmallow Paste, Heat Activated Expanding Medium Snow Flurries White. This stuff is cool because when you put it on your card and then you use your heating tool on it, it kind of pops up like popcorn. So it makes it look like there's snow on your card. It gives it some like 3D dimension. Pretty cool. Pretty big container, nice. Let's see here. And then we have some cardstock here. Let's see what this is. Oh, this is like a slippery cardstock. Probably, you may be able to use this on alcohol markers probably, and you could also use it on alcohol ink. It feels like it's appropriate for that, which is nice. And then what do we have here? Oh, it's the same. It's just in slimline sizes. Slippery probably can be used for alcohol inks and Copic markers or alcohol markers if you don't have Copics. And then we have some Simple Sayings, Thankful All Around sentiments. And this looks like it's foiling paper. So you can put foil on this and make it shiny. Let's see here. And I'll play around with some of this stuff and we'll, you know, you'll see it in later videos. Yeah, I think this is foiling sheets. So that's cool. Very nice. We will have to check that out. And then this other one is called Holidays for All, which is nice because it has sentiments from around the world. So, you know, Merry Christmas and all the other holidays, Kwanzaa, Hanukkah, all the good holidays here are represented, which is really nice. You have it in black and white, so that's cool. And then let's see, blank canvas, black toner sheets for foiling. So just a whole sheet for foiling. That's cool. I'll have to play with this and see what I can get out of that. Nice. And then last but not least, these little adorable things. Oh my goodness. Check this out. Enamel pen that says joy. We have one that says Maker Forte. We got this little cutie bird. Check him out. So cute. We have the Hedgehog Hollow. Super cute. And then last but not least, we got a little ladybug. So cute. So I want to thank Maker Forte for sending all this out for me. I truly appreciate it. I can't wait to play around with it. As I said, they do have a discount code for you guys. That discount code is BROMIES10. It's BROMIES10, all one word. And if you head over to their website on your order, you'll get 10% off of your order. So make sure that you head over there and check out their website and all their beautiful products. And also check them out over on Instagram by searching for the name Maker Forte. Thank you again for watching this video. I truly appreciate it. And you guys have a great week. Oh, and you have until February 15th, I believe, for that code. So make sure you use it before you go there. And I left a link down in the description so you can get there really easy. All right, you guys, thank you very much. You all have a great week. Bye.